my YouTube video anyway about the issue of Paulo Cruzada because right now I was told by Teacher May or Teacher Ruti Barrientos I already cleaned the what is it PS4 correct because I know there's lots of dust. I forgot to clean it. Somehow we need the box anyway for the PS4 games. Okay, let's move on about the issue of this. you know, um, I'm just gonna say to you, Paulo Cruzada. Paulo Cruzada, I said to you, do not harass Teacher May Tiburcio. Because Teacher May Tiburcio is already retired in CDIFI. Because me, I said it to Lawrence Villawan, I said it to Clarence Jacob Beredo. We talk about that my former teacher, Teacher May. Teacher May, I say again, she's already retired. She's not very sick, she is retired. I've been told that from Sir Paulo Cuba. He said to me, Teacher May is already retired. Oh, that is the rumor. The rumor was Teacher May was already retired. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Teacher May. Because Teacher May is already retirement, or I mean, I'm not retirement too because Teacher May is already retired. She's already retired. I've been talk with Clarence Beredo. I've been talk with Bill Galang and my other friends. I said, oh, Teacher May is already retired. And first of all, Paulo Cruzada, please do not do not edit a picture of Paula Colin Nunez that I'm just gonna say that he's editing the picture without underwear, without clothes. It's really nonsense. I say again, Paulo Cruzada, paano po ang nakahubad si Paula? Like I said, why Paula is naked? Even Shania Kiana. I say again, Paulo Cruzada, stop spreading naked photos. Paula Colin Nunez, she doesn't do anything to you, Paulo Cruzada. Hindi ka inaano ni Paula. Paula, she has nothing to do against you, Paulo Cruzada. Even your allies, Gino Sejo, Jeffrey Sejo, you still communicate them to attack Shania Kiana. Paulo Cruzada, you need to learn your lesson too. Because if you don't learn a lesson over the years that you made the past, if you made a mistake, if you say about I'm ISIS, you saying about Gaza and si Teacher May, or you want to attempt to rape Teacher May, that's a word. Paulo Cruzada, have a shame to your family. That, have a shame.